Since the mining boom, tourists from China are injecting $3.4 billion a year into New South Wales, and that figure is only going to keep growing. Now there's a new push to keep them spending big here in Sydney.
Picture perfect on the water and under the world's most famous arch. Chinese tourists hooked on Sydney Harbour.
It's the most beautiful place in the world, I think so.
It's a very beautiful city.
Local boat tours cashing in on their love affair with the finer things.
They say, take us to Point Piper, show us the $1 million homes, then take us to the Opera House. And once they're in front of that Opera House and the Harbour Bridge, they couldn't be happier.
In such a mammoth market, family business Sydney Harbour Boat Tours travelled to China to forge marketing friendships.
Trying to bring as many Chinese as we can to Sydney and get them to come on our boats.
They were one of 27 state delegates in Xi'an vying for the holiday dollar. The largest ever trade contingent pitching to over 200 travel agents.
This delegation is all about attracting more and more Chinese tourists from parts of mainland China that we've never marketed into before.
Around 80 million Chinese people travel the globe each year, and at the moment New South Wales nabs just under 800,000, so the potential for growth is huge.
It's our largest, it's one of our fastest growing, and yet we've barely scratched the surface of China.
The number of Chinese visitors coming on tours like this has more than doubled over the past 5 years, bringing in $3.4 billion, a welcome boost to the state economy.
Plenty of smiles from satisfied customers.